The most effective way to use a mosquito coil without burning it is as follows. Place the coil under a stream of warm water. When it becomes soft, start breaking it into smaller pieces into a bowl. You won't find this method on the packaging. Once you have broken the entire coil, add some rubbing alcohol to it. Then take half a lemon and squeeze it completely. And that's it. The preparation of the mixture took less than 2 minutes. Take it to the terrace or garden. The scent effectively repels mosquitoes. The coil doesn't need to be burned at all. Used in this way, it works just as effectively. Moreover, it lasts much longer. You can place it on the table and enjoy the outdoors without worrying about mosquitoes. Did you know that mosquito coils could be used in this way?
Don't throw away your egg carton. Thanks to it, you won't see mosquitoes anymore. I'll show you how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive products. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into small pieces. It's a brilliant way to use an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut the whole thing at once. You can always cut more pieces later. Now take an empty soda can, cut off the bottom like in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off part of the can, make holes with a nail. A few holes are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut out a small window. Make 3 perpendicular cuts. You can do this easily again with the utility knife. Now put the can back together. Place it on a table. Put the egg carton pieces inside. Light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard repels mosquitoes. This mini stove is easy to make and works great. Mosquitoes won't come near. They can't stand this kind of smoke. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. Light up a mixture like this. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something completely different. Start by taking a small bowl. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large piece and wrap the entire bowl in foil, inside and out. Then pour in about 3 heaping tablespoons of coffee, preferably ground, and mix it. Now take some rosemary sprigs and cut them into smaller pieces. Do this directly into the bowl. Cover the rosemary again with coffee, just enough to partially bury it. Now grab a lighter and gently light the rosemary. Let the smoke rise from the burning rosemary, and the coffee should start to smolder slightly. The light smoke that appears is an incredibly effective repellent for mosquitoes and other insects. It acts as a natural deterrent. Wherever you place a bowl like this, you can be 100% sure that no mosquito will come near. He pours coffee into plastic bottle caps. The result is genius. First, gather a few plastic bottle caps. They can be different types. Also, prepare some ground coffee. Pour a bit of coffee into each cap. Then grab a roll of toilet paper. Tear off a piece of paper. Roll it up tightly. And cut it into smaller pieces with scissors. Place 1 piece in the center of each cap filled with coffee. Now take a lighter or igniter and light the paper pieces you placed in the caps. The coffee will start to smolder and release smoke. This is a simple homemade method. It's not only effective but also safe for your health. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. It effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. Instead of buying expensive products, you can make your own repellent in just a few minutes. Always keep an eye on the burning paper and coffee. If needed, you can easily extinguish the fire with water. It's a brilliant solution for summer evenings. Be sure to try this trick and enjoy a peaceful time without annoying bugs. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1 1/4 cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free. A white towel can help protect you from ticks. These tiny arachnids are becoming an increasingly common problem, not only in forests, but also in gardens, on allotments, and in parks. Take a broom and unscrew the handle. Then wrap a white terry towel around the stick. Terry cloth has a soft, fluffy texture that ticks easily cling to. The white color makes them easy to spot. Secure everything with rubber bands to keep it in place. Use the stick to sweep over grass, bushes, and shady areas. Ticks live at heights between 8 and 28 inches and will attach to the fabric if present. Repeat the process a few times to improve accuracy. The test works best when the temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the weather is dry. A quick way to make sure your garden is safe. Prepare a plastic container. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, transfer the alcohol into the spray bottle. Add 3½ ounces of cloves. Set the mixture aside for 4 days, shaking the bottle each day. After that, strain the liquid through a sieve into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix well. Pour everything back into the spray bottle. Spray your hands or other areas of your body. In another container, pour 1 tablespoon of spirit or vodka. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water. Then add about 40 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix everything well and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before going for a walk and keep the bottle in your purse. It might come in handy when you and your friends stop for a picnic in the park. Buy formic spirit at the pharmacy. It's formic acid mixed with purified water and ethanol. Just dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your clothes before going for a walk, and you'll be fully protected against ticks. Your veterinarian won't tell you this. You won't see ticks and fleas on your dog or cat anymore. These parasites really dislike this scent. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You'll protect your 4-legged friend from ticks and fleas with a simple recipe. With us, you'll create a preparation that's easy and inexpensive to make. It'll last for quite a few walks. You only need a few ingredients. It's really a very simple trick that I use myself. Let's get started. Prepare a bowl and pour in 100 milliliters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix well. After combining the liquids, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix again. Vinegar and dishwashing liquid effectively repel many pests and parasites. Now take regular unscented shampoo. Measure out 1 tablespoon. Mix to combine everything. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Your mixture already has everything needed for fleas, lice, and ticks. Mix it well. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer. Pour the contents of the bowl into the bottle. Now you can easily apply the spray to your 4-legged friend. Spray them all over, avoiding their face. You can also use this spray on cats. Such a spray effectively repels ticks, fleas, and lice.